Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix the game as terminated with an error issue in Escape from Tarkov.
Fix 1. Restart the game and launch your Step 1. Close Escape from Tarkov completely. Step 2. Close the Battle State Games launcher. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and launch the game. Fix 2. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right, click on the Escape from Tarkov shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch the game and check if it works. Fix 3. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus or firewall settings. Step 2. Temporarily disable them. Step 3. Launch the game to see if the error disappears. Step 4. Enable antivirus/firewall after testing. Fix 4. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel. Step 2. Check for the latest driver updates. Step 3. Install the updates and restart your PC. Fix 5. Verify game files. Step 1. Open the Battle State Games launcher. Step 2. Go to your game library and select Escape from Tarkov. Step 3. Click Verify Files to repair any missing or corrupted files. Fix 6. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, Step 1. Uninstall Escape from Tarkov completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Download and install the latest version from the official launcher.